In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock Facebook ads on Reels. If you've been navigating the world of online advertising, then adding ads to your Reels could be your next big step. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First up, you'll need to go to the Facebook Ads Manager. You can easily find this by searching for Facebook Ads Manager on Google. Once you're there, look for the option that says Go to Ads Manager and give it a click. This tool is your headquarters for managing your Facebook advertising campaigns, giving you the power to create and edit ads, set up campaigns, and track their performance. Next, you'll be prompted to log in, enter your email and password. Remember, this should be the same email address linked to your Facebook account. If you're encountering trouble logging in, make sure your credentials are correct and double check any autofill responses if you're using a password manager. After successfully entering your details, you'll be taken to the campaign dashboard. This is where the magic begins. Look around and make sure everything looks correct with your account and running campaigns. When you're ready, navigate to all tools. You'll find this option on the main navigation bar, which is chock full of different services you can utilize to maximize your ad strategies. Moving along, find and click on monetization. Facebook has a suite of monetization tools designed to help creators maximize their content's potential. On this page, you'll see the option to view page eligibility. Clicking this will show you if your page qualifies for certain monetization opportunities, including ads on Reels. Now, it's important to note that access to ads on Reels is currently an invitation-only affair. Facebook sends these invitations to creators who meet specific requirements. So, you may need to be a bit patient if you're not invited yet. It's crucial to keep building your audience and engagement, as this increases your chances of being selected. If you do receive an invitation and you're deemed eligible, here's what you need to do next. Once eligible, head over to your professional dashboard. Here, under monetization tools, you will find the option to toggle ads on Reels on or off. This action is straightforward and can be done with a simple click, giving you greater flexibility and control over how ads appear alongside your content. And there you have it. Unlocking Facebook ads on Reels can open up new avenues of income and audience engagement for creators. It might seem like a bit of a process, but taking these steps can set you on the path to monetizing your creative efforts effectively. Thank you for joining me today. Be sure to stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips.